In this video, I will explain the cost of electrical energy. So mainly the cost of electrical energy can be classified into three: fixed cost, semi-fixed cost, and running or operating cost. So mainly the cost of electrical energy can be classified into three: fixed cost, semi-fixed cost, and running or operating cost. So these three components, fixed cost and semi-fixed running cost, these three components which reflect the electricity bill. So first one is fixed cost. So fixed cost is, as mentioned in name, the fixed cost is a constant cost. Okay, and it is independent of both maximum demand, both maximum demand as well as units generated. Okay, so it is a constant cost and it is independent of maximum demand and unit generated. So mainly the fixed cost is used for cost of central organization or administration, cost of administration, then interest on capital cost of land and salaries of high officials. So the fixed cost is used for paying the cost of administration, interest on capital cost of land procurement, then salaries of high officials. Next one is semi-fixed cost. So semi-fixed cost is that is a second cost. So in semi-fixed cost, the cost which depends only the maximum demand. Semi-fixed cost which depends only the maximum demand and it is independent of unit generated. Okay, so the semi-fixed cost is used for the annual interest and depreciation of capital investment of building and equipment, then paying the taxes, paying the salaries of officers and clerical staff. Okay, so the size of the plant, okay, so the maximum demand, the size of the plant is decided by the maximum demand, so that the size of the plant and the staff strength, officers and clerical staff strength is decided by the maximum demand. Okay, so that this cost, semi-fixed cost, is used for paying taxes, paying the salaries of clerical staff and officers. Okay, so the semi-fixed cost only depends on maximum demand. The next is running cost or operating cost. So the operating cost only depends on number of units generated. It is independent of maximum demand. It only depends on number of units generated. Okay, so the running cost is used for maintenance cost, lubricating oil cost, repair cost, and salaries of operating staff like lineman, overseer, etc. Okay, because the number of operating staff is depends upon the energy generated. Okay, so that's why the running cost is only depends on the number of units generated, and this cost is used for annual cost of fuel cost, lubricating cost, maintenance cost, repair cost, and paying the salaries of operating staff like lineman and overseer. Then now we move to the expression for finding the cost of electrical energy. So actually the cost of electrical energy can be classified into two forms. Okay, first one is two-part form. Okay, sorry, three-part form. The first one is three-part form. Okay, three-part form. In three-part form, we know that the cost of electrical energy is divided into three costs: fixed cost, semi-fixed cost, and running cost. So in three-part form, we consolidate all the component. Okay, we consolidate all the component: fixed plus semi-fixed plus running cost. So total annual cost of energy in three-part form equal to fixed cost plus semi-fixed cost plus running cost. So fixed cost is constant, so you write down a constant, plus semi-fixed cost. Semi-fixed cost is depend only on maximum demand, so it is proportional to maximum demand. So you can write semi-fixed cost equal to proportional to maximum demand. And what is running cost? Running cost which is proportional to energy generated or kilowatt hour. That is the energy generated. So you can write proportional to running cost. You can write plus proportional to kilowatt hour generated. So in expression we can get an expression like rupees. The annual cost of energy equal to rupees constant A. The first part is constant A plus proportional to maximum demand. That is B into kilowatt. So kilowatt is the unit of maximum demand. So B into kilowatt. Okay, B is a constant. Kilowatt is the maximum. Kilowatt is the demand. Okay. So B into kilowatt plus C into kilowatt hour. So that is proportional to kilowatt hour generated. C into kilowatt hour. Okay. So that is the three-part form. So it is the consolidation of fixed cost plus semi-fixed cost plus running cost. Here A, B, C are constants. Okay, A are constant that belongs to fixed cost, and B is the cost per 1 kilowatt maximum demand. So B into, suppose we have the maximum demand of 10 kilowatt, so we can B is equal to 10 kilowatt and B is 10 rupees. So in this part, second part, 10 into 10, 100. Okay, 100 will come. C kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is the energy generated. Suppose the running cost of one energy is assumed is 5 rupees. So what is third part? So 5 into number of units generated. Okay, so that's the expression comes in three-part form. Next one is two-part form. In two-part form, we have only two components. Okay, we neglect the fixed component. We are considering the semi-fixed cost as well as the running cost. So we can write total annual cost in this two-part form equal to A into kilowatt hour. So A into kilowatt hour is semi-fixed cost plus B into kilowatt hour, that is running cost. So it consists of only the semi-fixed cost plus running cost. That is the two-part form. That is the total annual cost of energy in two-part form. Thank you.